Good morning to one and all. In our previous class we saw polynomial and types of the polynomials and degree of the polynomial. Now in our today's class we see the value of a polynomial. For a polynomial p of x, in that x place which value we substituting, then what is the result we get? That is called value of a polynomial. If p of x is a polynomial in x and k is a real number, then the value obtained by substituting x equal to k in p of x is called the value of p of x at x equal to k and is denoted by p of k. That means in that x place here we substituted k, so that will be denoted by p of k. It is called value of a polynomial. So now we see some problems about the value of a polynomial. The problem is, if p of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 1, then find the value of p of 1 and p of minus 1. So here in the x place we want to substitute 1, then we get the value of polynomial at x equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, then the given polynomial p of 1 equal to, so x square, that means 1 square minus 3x 3 into 1 plus 1, that equal to 1 square equal to plus 1. So minus 3 1 ja 3 plus 1. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1, that equal to minus 1. So if x equal to 1, then p of 1 equal to minus 1. Now next one asked p of minus 1. That means in the place of x we have to substitute minus 1. Then p of minus 1 equal to, so here in this x place we want to substitute minus 1. So minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole square. So it is even number, so we get the minus symbol to be positive symbol only. 1 square means 1 only. Minus into minus plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5. So p of 1 equal to minus 1, p of minus 1 equal to 5. So the another problem is, if p of t equal to t cube minus 1, then find the values of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 0, p of 2, p of minus 2. That means in the place of t we have to substitute 1, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 2. So by substituting, what happened now we see. So the given polynomial p of t equal to t cube minus 1. If t equal to first 1 given, if t equal to 1, then p of 1 equal to 1 whole cube minus 1. 1 cube equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Next one, if t equal to minus 1 given, then p of minus 1 equal to, so here t place minus 1 we want to substitute. So minus 1 cube minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube means it is odd number, so we get a negative symbol, and 1 cube means 1 only. So minus 1 and here minus 1 there. Minus 1 minus 1 both are negative numbers, so we want to do addition but keep minus symbol. So that means minus 1 means minus 2. And the third one, if t equal to 0, then p of 0 equal to, so in t cube minus 1, t place we want to substitute 0 cube minus 1. 0 cube equal to 0 only, minus 1. 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Next, t equal to 2 substituting. Why? Because p of 2 purpose. Then p of 2 equal to t cube. So 2 whole cube minus 1. 2 cube equal to 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Next, if t equal to minus 2, then p of minus 2 equal to, so here t place minus 2 substituting, so minus 2 whole cube minus 1. So it is odd number. So odd number to minus doing means we get negative symbol. Already here we said. So minus 2 cube equal to, cube means 3 times multiplication. So 2 will be multiplied itself only 3 times, means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 minus 1. So both are negative numbers. So we want to do addition and keep minus symbol. So minus 8 minus 1 means minus 9. And the another problem, if p of x equal to x power 4 plus 1, then find p of 2 minus of p of minus 2. That means here in the place of x we want to substitute 1 time 2, 1 time minus 2, and coming result to that values to again subtract to do here the problem given. So the given polynomial p of x equal to x power 4 plus 1. First to finding the value of p of 2. That means if p equal to, so here x given the polynomial, so if x equal to 2, then p of 2 equal to, in the place of x 2 substituting, 2 power 4 plus 1. 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied itself 4 times. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 plus 1, 16 plus 1 equal to 17. Next, p of minus 2 finding. So if x equal to minus 2, then p of minus 2 equal to, in the place of x now we want to substitute minus 2. So minus 2 whole power 4 plus 1. So here the exponent is even number. Even number purpose we get this 2 minus symbol to plus symbol, and 2 power 4 means already we know 16, and here plus 1. 16 plus 1 equal to 17. So p of 2 equal to we get 17, p of minus 2 also we get 17. Now subtracting these two values, p of 2 minus p of minus 2, that equal to 17 minus 17. So 17 minus 17 equal to 0. So p of 2 minus p of minus 2 is 0. Okay, in this method we have to find the values of a polynomial, and here in this polynomials the given values substituted means we get some result. In that result only in this place, if p of 1 equal to taken means we get 0. So in this model, for a given polynomial, if we substitute any value, we get the value of the polynomial, the result will be 0. Then that is called 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial calling. Okay, now we seeing the 0 of the polynomial and how we find the zeros of the polynomial, and checking if the values given means that are the zeros of the polynomial or not. We see zeros of a polynomial. A real number k is said to be 0 of a polynomial p of x if p of k equal to 0. That means before 1 only the value of the polynomial we substituted, we get the answer is 0, then it is called 0 of a polynomial. So that purpose now our to given a problem, check whether minus 3 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 9. That means these minus 3 and 3 are substituted in the given polynomial x square minus 9. If we get the result is 0, then they are called zeros of the polynomial, otherwise they are not. So now we checking. So the given polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 9. Now we substituting in the place of x minus 3 and next 3 substituting. So first minus 3 substituting. If x equal to minus 3, then p of minus 3 equal to, so x minus 3 whole square minus 9. So the exponent is even number, here negative there. So that purpose we get positive symbol. 3 square equal to 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 means 0. So here we get the value of the polynomial's answer is 0 we get. Next to substituting x equal to 3. If x equal to 3, then p of 3 equal to x square. So 3 square minus 9. 3 square equal to 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So now in that both cases we get the values of the polynomials are 0. That means the given minus 3 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 9. Therefore minus 3 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 9. And the next problem, check whether 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x when p of x equal to x square minus x minus 6. So for the polynomial x square minus x minus 6 to 3 and minus 2 are zeros or not asked. So checking by substitution. So first the given polynomial p of x equal to x square minus x minus 6. Now here in the place of x we substituting 3 and minus 2. So if x equal to 3, then p of 3 equal to, in the place of x we substituting 3. So 3 square minus 3 minus 6, in the place of x minus 3 written. So 3 square equal to 9. 9 minus 3 minus 6. 9 minus 3 equal to 6 minus 6. 6, this minus 6 is here written. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Now if we substituting x equal to minus 2 in the polynomial x square minus x minus 6, what happens? Seeing if x equal to minus 2, then p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 square, so the exponent is even number, so we get positive symbol only. 2 square equal to 4. Minus into minus plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 equal to 6 minus 6, that equal to 0. So now in this both cases, that means x equal to 3 minus 2 substitute, we get the zeros only. That means these two values are zeros of the polynomial. Therefore 3 and minus 2 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus x minus 6. Okay. The next problem is which of root 2 and 2 is a zero of the polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus 2x y. So here in the given polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus 2x2, we have to substitute in the place of x one time root 2, another time 2. Now in that which time we get the p of equal to 0. Now we checking. First the given polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus 2x. Now substituting, if x equal to root 2, then p of root 2 equal to x place that one writing root 2 whole cube minus 2 into root 2. Root 2 whole cube means root 2 is multiplied 3 times. Root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 whole cube equal to. So root 2 into root 2 means that is nothing but root 4. Root 4 means that is 2. So 2 into root 2. So now root 2 whole cube place 2 root 2 writing. Minus 2 into root 2 means 2 root 2 only. So 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Now in the given polynomial we substitute x equal to 2. So if x equal to 2, then p of 2 equal to x plus 2 cube minus 2 into x 2. 2 cube equal to 8 minus 2 2 is 4. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Now here if the values given one substituted in the place of x, root 2 substituted means we get at the present of root 2 only 0 we get. At the present of 2 we get 4. So it is not the 0 of the polynomial. So therefore root 2 is 0 of the polynomial. P of x equal to x cube minus 2x. Now here the given problem, for what value of k minus 4 is the 0 of the polynomial x square minus x minus half 2k plus 4. So here what is the 0 of the polynomial, that is minus 4 already given. For which value k place written means we get this minus 4 is 0. That is the question here given. So first the given polynomial p of x equal to x square minus x minus of 2k plus 2 taking, and here minus 4 equal to 0. Why? Because it is given 0 of the polynomial. So given minus 4 is 0 of the polynomial. So p of minus 4 equal to 0. So in the place of x now we substitute minus 4. So minus 4 whole square minus 4 minus of 2k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now minus 4 whole square, so minus 2 exponent is even number, so we get positive symbol only. 4 square equal to 16, minus into minus plus, so 4 minus 2 multiplication doing, so 2k means it's before plus symbol only there, minus into plus minus 2k minus into plus minus, so 2 equal to 0. 16 plus 4 20, 20 minus 2 18, so minus 2k plus 18 equal to 0. Why? Because 16 plus 4 20, 20 is the greatest number, that is positive. 22 to subtracting means 18. Now plus 18 is transferring that side, that is minus 18, 2k equal to minus 18. Now this minus 2k to multiplication doing, so transferred means that is division, so k equal to minus 18 by minus 2, so minus minus gets cancelled, 2 1 ja 2 9 ja, so k equal to 9. So in the place of k equal to 9 there, then minus 4 is the 0 of the polynomial. So if we substituting 2 into 9 18, 18 plus 2 20, so the polynomial is x square minus x plus 20. Now this 2 minus 4 we substitute in the place of x, we get it is the 0 of the polynomial. So checking, minus 4 square that equal to 16 minus half minus 4, minus of minus 4 means plus 4. So here given minus 20 minus, so minus 20. So 16 plus 4 20, 20 minus 20 0. So if minus 4 written, we get it's 0 of the polynomial only. When k equal to 9 means the minus 4 is 0 of the polynomial. Now before we find the given number is a 0 of the polynomial or not, now we see the finding the zeros of the given polynomials. So zeros of the polynomial means we get the result 0. So 3 of x equal to 0. Now 3 is x2 multiplication doing. So this side transferred means multiplication 1 division. So 0 by 3. 0 by 3 means we get 0. So 0 of the polynomial of 3x is 0. So except 0 any value we substitute, we can't get 0. Only 0 substituted we get 0. Same that model. Now this problem p of x equal to x power 4 minus 16 to seeing. That means x power 4 minus 16 equal to 0 we want to write. So power 4 means we have not a chance to factorize, but we can write here 16 means that is 4 square, we have a chance to write. 4 square means that is nothing but 2 power 4. So x power 4 minus 2 power 4 equal to 0. So power 4 to we have not any principle, that purpose we writing 2 2 2 means a power m into n, that means a power m whole power n. In that model we can write x power 2 whole square minus this 2 power 4 means 2 square whole square equal to 0. Now this one is in the form of a square minus b square. So here a equal to x square, b equal to 2 square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So by using that formula, now here we can write this one x square minus 2 square into x square plus 2 square equal to 0. So product of any two numbers is equal to 0 means in that any number must be equal to 0. That means either x square minus 2 square equal to 0, otherwise x square plus 2 square equal to 0. If x square minus 2 square equal to 0, that means already we said it is in the form of a square minus b square. So here x means a, 2 means b. So now we can write x plus 2 into x minus 2 equal to 0. That means in that any one will be equal to 0. That means either x plus 2 equal to 0, other x minus 2 equal to 0. If x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2. If x minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to plus 2. Why? Because this minus 2 transferred to this side, plus 2, 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Same that model here, plus 2 transferred to this side, minus 2, 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. Now here this one observing x square plus 2 square equal to 0. So this plus 2 square transferred to this side, minus 2 square. X square equal to 0 minus 2 square means minus 2 square. Minus 2 square equal to 4. X square equal to minus 4. Now x equal to square cancel means we want to do square root. So x square equal to plus or minus root minus 4. That means here that is plus root minus 4 minus root minus 4. So in the place of x, we want to substitute minus 2 to plus or minus root minus 4. Substituting, we get this polynomial x square minus 14 equal to 0. So these 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. Same in that model. Now see this problem, x square plus 5x plus 6, these zeros finding. So x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now here these 5x we can written as 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x equal to 5x, and with the same 2 and 3 product 6 we getting, so we can write 2 into 3 equal to 0. So now here it is in the form of x square plus of a plus b into x plus ab equal to x plus a into x plus b in that formula. So same this formula model, this one written means x square plus of this x common taken means 2 plus 3 into 2 into 3 plus that equal to x square plus of a plus b into x plus ab equal to 0. That means nothing but x plus a into x plus b. So x plus a means 2, b means 3. So x plus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So either x plus 2 equal to 0, otherwise x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. If x plus 2 equal to 0, plus 2 transfer to this side minus 2, 0 minus 2 means minus 2. If here this plus 3 transferred means plus 3 transfer to that side minus 3, 0 minus 3 means minus 3. So the zeros of the polynomial are minus 2 and minus 3 for the polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6. So this problem too in another method also we can solve, that is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So for factorization purpose we want to take x square coefficient into constant term we have to do. So here x square coefficient, here any one not there means that is nothing but 1. So 1 into the constant term is here 6. So that 6, 1 into 6 equal to 6, and the x coefficient we want to take. So coefficient of x, that is nothing but 5. So here any two numbers product doing means this 6 coming, addition doing means 5 coming. So if we observe for that purpose 6 factors, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now in that 4 factors, so which factors multiplication doing means 6 coming, addition doing means 5 coming, we have to observe. So 1 6 is 6, but 1 plus 6 equal to 7 coming. So but here we want to get 5. If 1 minus 6 means 1 minus 5 coming, but here we want to get plus 5. If 6 minus 1 means we get plus 5, but here the product doing means we get plus 6, addition doing means plus 5. So 1 into minus 6 means we get minus 6. So here that is not possible. So we taking 2, 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2, 3 equal to 6. So 2 into 3 we taking 2 plus 3 taking, then only we get correct. So in the place of 5x we taking 2x plus 3x. Now in this both the x is the common value, so x common taken means here x square means it is nothing but x into x. 1x taken outside means 1x is remain, and in this 2x x taken outside means here 2 there, so the 2 written, and here plus symbol there, so that plus symbol only we written, and now in this both the plus symbol is the common, so that one taken, and here 6 means it is nothing but expressed as 3 2 ja, so in this both numbers 3 is the common, so that 3 common taken means here x, so plus into plus 3 which ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 already we said, so 2 written. Now in this both numbers x plus 2 is the common, so that x plus 2 common taken means here remained one is x and here remained one is plus 3, so x plus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 6, that means either x plus 2 equal to 0, otherwise x plus 3 equal to 0. If x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to plus 2 transfer to that side minus 2, 0 minus 2 means minus 2. Same in this method, this plus 3 transfer to that side minus 3, so 0 minus 3 means minus 3. Okay, so in this model we find the zeros of the given polynomials, and once again we recall degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial means what? The highest exponent of the each monomial of the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial, that one we said already. So here once this one observed, here only single term given, so its degree, the exponent is how much? X to 1, so the degree of the polynomial is 1. Now here this polynomial to observe, here two terms there, in that two terms the degree is for x power 4 is, so it is the exponent, so degree is 4, and 16 is the constant term, so its degree is 0, so now degree of this polynomial is 4. Now this problem to observe, this problem to the degree each monomial 1, so this x square to degree 2, 5x to degree exponent 1, so 1, and 6 constant term, so its degree 0. So for the total polynomial to degree is highest degree x square, so that is 2, so degree of this polynomial is 2. Now once we see the zeros of the polynomial, so for this polynomial how many zeros came? Here 1, here 1, so total 2, so zeros of the polynomial 2. For this polynomial x square minus 16 equal to 0, to how many zeros came? 1, 2, and plus or minus means these were 2 only, so total 4 zeros came, so zeros of the polynomial is 4. Now here how many zeros came? 1 only, so zeros of this polynomial is 1. So for this information if we can observe the degree is how much, that much zeros here we getting. So from this we conclude that for a polynomial has how much degree, that much zeros we need, and that will be only there. So we conclude that if a polynomial has degree n, then it has n zeros, that one we can conclude. The problem is check whether 1 minus 1 and 1 by 4 are zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So this polynomial to these are the zeros or not, we have to check. So the given polynomial p of x equal to 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So now in the place of x we substituting these three values. Now they are zeros or not, we checking. So if x equal to 1, then p of 1 equal to 4 into x plus 1 square, plus here 3x to x plus 1, 3 into 1 minus 1 square means that is nothing but 1 only. 3 1 ja 3 minus 1, 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 minus 1, that equal to 2. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So here p of 1 equal to 6k. So now 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Why? Because we not get 0. So next value minus 1 substituting. If x equal to minus 1, then p of minus 1 equal to 4 into, in the place of x minus 1 substituting, plus 3 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 square. So minus 2 square doing, the exponent is even number, so we get positive number only, and 1 square means that is nothing but 1 only. Plus into minus, minus 3 1 ja 3 minus 1 4 1 ja 4 minus 3 minus 1, both are negative numbers, so we have to do addition but keep negative symbol. So 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So here we get the result is 0. So minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next, x equal to 1 by 4 given, then p of 1 by 4 equal to 4 into 1 by 4 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 1. So 1 by 4 whole square, it is nothing but in the form of a by b whole power m. In the form of a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. So we split that one, then what happened? 1 square by 4 square. 1 square means that is nothing but 1. 4 square means that is 16. Plus 3 into 1 by 4 means 3 by 4 minus 1. So now 4 into 1 by 16 means both will be go in 4 table. 4 1 ja 4 4 ja. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. So here if we observe, both have same denominator. So same denominator purpose, we can directly add the numerators. So 1 plus 3, they are like fractions, by 4 minus 1. 1 plus 3 means 4. 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means that is nothing but 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So here also satisfied 1 by 4 too. So here only minus 1 1 by 4 substituted means we get 0. So but 1 substituted means we get 6. So these minus 1 and 1 by 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. Therefore minus 1 and 1 by 4 are zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to 4x square plus 3x minus 1.